lot of our new machines have a lot of technologies, so we have to be very close or even in the cab sometimes. And that's to check things like calibrations and make sure payloads and things are working. Right now, what we're doing is going in and cleaning and sanitizing the cabs when we get in them, before we get in them, and then we'll also sanitize them when we get out to get an operator in.
They want to know that we have their back, that we are going to help them minimize risk for them as business owners and employees of businesses. So they don't ask for security, but the things we do to give them that is very, very important to bringing them into the Carter family.
Hey, this is Richard with Carter Machinery. I'm calling you about your new piece of equipment. I was going to come out and do a delivery on it and go over the machine with your operators.
Our demo operators and our certified CAT demo instructors go out and they review every component of safety and safety features that are in those machines to keep your operators safe and other employees on the job safe. And also right now we're practicing social distancing, we're wearing masks, and we're making sure that that onboarding process is aligned with all COVID protocols to keep the employees healthy through this time.
This is how we would train an operator. The operator would be in the seat. We would be outside the cab. We would be wearing our mask and our gloves. The cab has been sanitized before we allow the operator to get in it, and if we switch for some reason, we would sanitize it again before I would get in it.
It's not one thing just to deliver the machine and then drive off. We have to stay with that customer throughout and make sure we're putting that customer in the best possible position, for success. And that's enabling digital adoption, that's staying with them throughout, the challenges of knowing how to transact with the dealership, the challenges of how to operate that piece of equipment because they're very highly complex, got a lot of moving parts. It's just staying with that customer throughout to ensure that they feel that we're a trusted advisor or a trusted partner, if you will, and knowing that we have their back.
This is the engine air filter. There are dual filters in here. It does have this squeeze to allow the dust out. Pulling these filters off, we talked about the part numbers so I can order them. So if I want to order them right away, the app is parts.cat.com. That's where I can place my order right now with my part numbers.
So it's having the resources, having the team in place to be able to enable that, again, that digital adoption, to know how the machine works, how the asset works, the data coming off the asset, understanding how it works within the site, and more importantly, how it connects back into the customer's business. So that's part of our value, our proposition, our value promise we have to our customers is reducing their cost to serve by leveraging the digital tools and resources we have at our disposal to put them in a winnable spot.
The point of sale is extremely important. Great day, right? Everybody's excited, but that's just the start. So that sets the stage for us to support the customer and live up to the commitments that we made through the sales process on the customer getting the most out of their machine, the most uptime, and the lowest cost of ownership.